actually immigrants from Mexico, and so they have worked all their life in agricultural fields. So my dad got a third grade education. My mom was able to finish middle school. I don't really come from an educated family that can show me the way and that can kind of help me with my homework at night. And then add on to that, coming from a really small town like Royal City, that has a population about 2,000, 3,000. The schools are really small, there's a lack of opportunity.
The Early Engineering Institute is a program for middle school students where we're trying to get them interested and excited about engineering. They're here on campus for 4 days and 3 nights, and they're going to be exposed to what engineers do, about the importance of doing well in math, and what are some of the great careers out there in engineering.
I never thought of engineering as something I could do. I knew I was interested in math and I was interested in science, but engineering was just something that I didn't think I could do. Back in 7th grade, when I was in middle school, we had the GERA program, and I did something similar to the Early Engineering Institute summer camp here, and that really inspired me to go to college and to believe that I could get an education. It was really great, and I found a passion for it and found that engineering could be something for me.
Generally, there's not more than at most 20 to 25% women at the undergraduate level, and underrepresented minorities are even less than that.
It's really the perception and the stereotypes, we believe, that are keeping women out of engineering. Civil engineering, aero, electrical, computer, mechanical. People who are 22 on average will make over $70,000 a year as a computer engineer. So we want to have more women in engineering because research shows that if you have more diverse teams solving problems, then you're going to have better solutions.
So what we're going to be doing in the lab this afternoon, we have some of our fish robots set up, and we will run them remotely. When you're running at different speeds with the robot, how tight can you turn corners, which has a lot of. I do what I do not just because it pays well, but I like to solve the problems and come up with something new that works and addresses a need that somebody has. So it's a lot of fun.
I love interacting with people, and I really like using technology and using engineering to help people. I would really encourage 7th and 8th grade girls to experience what engineering is like. Explore it and learn about engineering, go to summer camps, and if somebody like me that comes from a really small town could do engineering, then they can too.
If you want to save one person, be a doctor. If you want to save the world, be an engineer.